Cairo. And this vision of Cape to Cairo is why I started this with Peter John, and we have the executive also here, Pastor Craig and Pastor Charlie, and Apostle Raymond gave his apology this morning. He's got the flu. Is to take this, the gospel, this message that we are so privileged with, I believe in Cape Town, that we have, I always tell people in Africa, we have preaching machines in South Africa, especially Cape Town. We are grounded in the Word of God. And the vision is to take the fire that was prophesied many, many years ago. There was men like Reinhard Bonnke, and it's more than 100 years, even before Bonnke prophesied, the Lord showed that this fire, I believe, that we as like-minded ministers getting together and take the gospel